This is Youth Work Week 2022. Hi, I'm Brandon, and I'm 17, and I went to Ferndale Community School. So now I work with the UN. I'm striving and I'm succeeding to be my better self. Well, they're game changers. They're inspiring individuals. So, for example, my personal experience, before I had a youth worker as well, I wasn't very confident at all. I was really struggling at the time. Well, firstly, I'd like to say it's provided me with education. There's been many courses and pathways I've taken within the apps to further advance my skills. So, for example, maybe that is with confidence and communication. There's been many examples where I've confidently communicated to my team members and work effectively in teams to work on local projects that means quite a considerable amount to young people. And there's so many interesting young people, and how you work with them on something you're passionate about, that's something I think you can take away from life and think, yeah, I've done something today and I've contributed as much as possible. Please go and thank your youth workers for the hard, dedicated work they do for you.
So why do I love youth work?
Yeah.
I've been doing it almost 50% of my life, and I feel like it has changed my life. It's given me a purpose, and then seeing young people travel through the different areas of the service and the provisions that we offer, and seeing them grow, and then even meeting them years later, you see that there is a difference to be made with these young people, and I can see the difference it made to me, and then it reflecting then on everyone else.
What a guy.